What's up YouTube and welcome to this video. So we need to fix the sticky key situation and I am going to use this website so that you know when I press shift, so it will highlight like this. If I press shift again and again, you see this sticky key pop up which disturbs us in games and whatsoever. To disable it properly, you need to search sticky keys. Go to this settings and you need to disable all of them. Come outside. You also need to disable all of these. Then you also need to disable these toggle key sound and these notification. When I have done all of these, you will see that now no matter how much time I press shift, it doesn't get me the sticky key pop up. So this was the settings. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.